After watching a few DIY face mask tutorials, I thought it would be fun to give this project a try using Würth products. After doing a little bit of research, I came up with a different idea or a different approach that may actually work better. So I started with the first mask, using the same technique I've seen before, and using the Würth Premium White Rags. It turned out great. But then I had a thought, how can I make it better? So I did a little research and I found the industrial wipers. They're made from a bonded cellulose cotton material that should in theory act as a filter and keep the outside of my mask dry. I then used the same technique that I've seen already, neatly sandwiching the industrial wiper in between the Würth rag. I added the rubber bands a third of the way in, then folded the rag neatly inside of itself to make it as comfortable as possible. I put it on and wait, stop. So this was really uncomfortable. My ears were folded up, it was not gonna work. So back to the drawing board. I needed a way to easily connect the two rubber bands without using my ears. So after a few minutes of searching, I found one of those fake rock climbing keychains. Everybody has those. And don't worry, if you don't have one of these quick connecting clips, use whatever you have. You could use a paper clip, a clothespin, or you can even connect the rubber bands to the back of your adjustable hat. Surprisingly, it worked perfectly. Even Brad thought so. Oh wait, here Brad, I made this one for you. Although I can't guarantee how well this will work or even how safe this actually is, but my thoughts are something is always better than nothing.